Continually getting HTTPS certificate errors on all browsers. I recently switched to a new laptop running Windows 7. For some reason I am constantly getting certificate errors when hitting sites where I really shouldn't be getting them, Twitter, Picasa, Google Analytics, but Gmail works, my bank, etc. This is happening in all browsers. This is happening in all networks, at work and at home. This is definitely an issue with my laptop or operating system. I know the usual cause is my date being set incorrectly, but it's definitely correct. The error I am getting in Chrome is the following. The site security certificate is not trusted. You attempted to reach www.site.com, but the server presented a certificate issued by an entity that is not trusted by your computer's operating system. This may mean that the server has generated its own security credentials, which Google Chrome cannot rely on for identity information, or an attacker may be trying to intercept your communications. You should not proceed, especially if you have never seen this warning before for the site. I have tried manually accepting the certificate, but it doesn't work. I still get the same error every time. I checked this other answer and used that advice, reset my internet settings, but it didn't make any difference.
Be sure that the date of your computer is accurate. A dead CMOS battery might reset the date to the early 2000 every time the computer boots, which will prevent a certificate from being valid, since they have an expiration date and a validity date.
Your problem might be that your new computer is missing some root certification authority, CA, certificates. See this article, Windows Root Certificate Program Members, where you can manually download and install all third-party root certificates that are distributed via the Windows Root Certificate Program.
Had the same problem on Windows 7 where any secure website would give an invalid certificate error message in any browser for Chrome, IE, and Firefox. As a solution, I found the browser safeguard in my programs and deleted. No problems after that.
I'm using Windows 8 and Explorer 10. The solution may be as simple as looking on your control panel for the newest programs that were loaded most recently on the same day and deleting them. About 4 days ago my browser started posting an invalid certificate on every web page. Yes, even the good O's like Google, Yahoo, AOL, etc. No matter what web page I went to, the invalid certificate warned me of the web page. Windows Defender missed them in the scan. When you look at this issuer of the certificate, it says do_not_trust_fiddle root. There were about 4 or 5 programs that were installed on the same day. One of them was named Browser Safeguard and it was installed on the same day as the other 4 programs, so I deleted it too, then rebooted. I also went to Internet Explorer, Internet Options, Connections, Local Area Network, LAN, Settings and unchecked the proxy server box. No more problems with invalid certificates.
Some antivirus overrides the root certs too. For example, I had the same problem by ESET Smart Security on Win 7 and Win 8.1 systems. The solution was to turn off SSL protocol filtering completely. Off? I am not sure why ESET thinks this is a good feature. I already sent an email to their support, but according to them the problem is with my system. This is interesting, since the same problem occurred on 3 other computers since I sent that email. Maybe the next update will fix it.
If you want to support the channel, be it consider liking and subscribing.